The NEWYES portable inkjet printer is capable of printing on plain A4 paper. The LD0806BK model prints only black. The LD0806CL model supports both monochrome and color printing. While they look identical in appearance, you can distinguish them by the label on the bottom. The all-black cartridge is the black ink cartridge, and the one with the orange cover is the color ink cartridge. Tear the plastic packaging off the ink cartridge. Pry open the plastic lid. Peel off the protective plastic film. Place the ink cartridge into the cartridge and try the printing. Open the app. Click the top right corner to connect with the printer. Scan the barcode on the bottom to connect. Ow! It's connected. Now let's upload a photo and try the printing. It reminds us to load the paper to the printer. Insert a standard A4 sheet of paper, and the printer will automatically feed the paper. Then print. The output is straightforward. You can easily view the print content, as it will not be upside down. As for printing speed, under ISO standard, the printer prints black and white documents at 2.6 pages per minute, and color documents at 1.3 pages per minute. The device operates at 300 DPI, ensuring good print quality. Print colored document. Print black and white document. Print black and white image. Let's check the print quality. The print quality is impressive, whether it's monochrome or color.